If you're feeling confident about a full year massive crypto bull market in 2025, you need to watch this video. It's a snippet from an update I gave subscribers of my newsletter, Crypto is Easy, talking about some key behaviors we're seeing from market participants and what that might mean for our expectations moving forward. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with somebody you know, and you can get a link to the full update in the description below. Looking at some metrics that really don't tell us anything about peaks, bottoms, or expectations is the spent volume age bands, these longer term holders, people have held for 2 to 3 years. It's still, look, it's not accelerating, it's not heading upwards, but it's elevated and it's plateauing at a higher level, plateauing here, and I think we're about plateauing right here in this area. It's plateauing at a higher level than we normally see. The last time we saw a level at that area is sort of around that, that area around when Bitcoin's price was around like 70,000 last year, and we know what happened after that. I think the more important takeaway is not that comparing it this with that, as much as just recognizing it's flat at a higher plateau than we've seen in a long time. Long-term holders continue to sell at a higher than normal pace. In this case, we measure volume. In the next update, we'll catch up on the holder waves. Well, maybe the update after that. Next update or the update after that. But look, we know the trend is happening. We don't need this. We don't need to watch it every single minute. The diamond hands, the so-called diamond hands, they're peeling out. At the same time, growth in new addresses, it's kind of stagnated. Last time we checked in on this, it was nice. It was showing this nice uptrend. Now it's kind of stagnated. Will it come back down here and then pop up again? Look, we'll see. But it's just something to note right now. It doesn't say anything, predict the future at all. Accumulation metrics, they've gone flat again. And they just continue to go flat. It's nice that they're not going down anymore. These are the key cohorts. These are people who hold between zero point 0.1 to 100 Bitcoins, which is the vast majority of the market, the bulk of the market. And it was just it fell off a cliff for months. Now, since January, it's stabilized, but it's not growing. You're not seeing new accumulation. If you look at the smallest level, which is people with less than 0.1 Bitcoin, that's basically flat. It's not growing. We want it to grow. We don't want it to stay flat. We don't want it to go down. So look, none of these things are reasons to worry. Momentum and enthusiasm can carry the markets higher for longer than you might expect. We still have the flows to the ETFs that'll never appear on this because they're using big custodial accounts. MicroStrategy still buying billions. Yada, yada, yada. And if you look at stablecoins are doing great. Think of stablecoins like fuel to push the market higher and a cushion to soften the landing when the market crashes. So you want more, and we continue to see more. I think people are a little concerned about this drop in Tether. Look, but we'll follow it. Tether is a lot of it is fake, so I don't worry so much that it drops. I'm sure it'll drop more because of what's going on in Europe. They can't sell to Europe anymore. But I'm not ready to make any judgment on it. We just kind of have to accept that stablecoins are growing overall. There's growth. We don't see a reversal in that growth, so it's fine. At some point, though, you need genuine interest in crypto. It can't just be speculative enthusiasm. That genuine interest is what forms the foundation for lasting and durable bull markets. Speculative enthusiasm, it's great, but it'll disappear as soon as the prices stop going up.